Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you on how to change location in Badu app. First one is we open our app Badu app. Then basically it's a dating app. So we keep on scrolling like that. And in this lower right, we can see this profile icon. And from the upper right, we choose this button. And here we're gonna find our location. So yeah, we change this. So you can type here your desired location. For example, Bulacan. Yeah, just like that. So after that, you're all set.